Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sinu. Today I would like to show you a delicate journey of needle and thread. It will bring a life to a stunning floral masterpiece. Here I am explaining a detailed step-by-step explanation of the our work today. So first step is the gathering of the material. So here I used the fabric, that is the poplin cotton fabric, and the needle, a fine embroidery needle, and the thread, that is anchor embroidery thread. So let's begin. So first you can see that here a floral design is there. It is done by a heat erasable pen. So after doing this design, we should take the 6 strands of embroidery thread. That I took is an anchor embroidery thread, that is also in brown in color. So for doing this embroidery, you can see that here 5 petals are there. In each petal I am dividing it as a different part. So we can see that center and side. So in the center I took the main first stitch from the tip of the petal. We should take one prick from the downside of the fabric to go upside and make it as a loop or a circle in the upside, just like a chain. So from the downside of the fabric we should move the needle to the upside and make a small chain at the half of the petal. Then the remaining the tail, it should be fixed at the center of the flower. So the same thing we should repeat. Here I used a brown color thread and we are filling the uh, petal. After finishing this, here I used a yellow color thread, that is also anchor embroidery thread with the 6 strands of thread. So here from the end of the chain stitch or the tip of the chain stitch, I pricked the downside of the fabric to upside and wrap around the each chain using the yellow color. So here we should specifically say that around the each brown chain we should be circle around with the yellow color. So here is the combination of yellow and brown color is very evident. If you like this type of video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and please support my channel. And I would like to know which part of the country you are watching my video. Please comment it below. After finishing the petal, we should go to the center. For filling the center, here I used satin stitch with the fluorescent blue color. So first we will do the straight stitch in and putting the space in between. After finish doing the straight stitch while putting the gap, we should fill in between. So it will give a perfection in the satin stitch. After finishing the center, here we are going to the leaf. For doing the leaf, here I used herringbone stitch. In our channel, so many herringbone stitch designs I made. If you would like to see more herringbone, you can check out the channel. For doing the herringbone stitch, we are dividing this leaf into 2 parts. So here you can see the center one line is there. So after that, from the center of the leaf we should take one stitch and we should go to the side. So we should cross over each stitch and we should fill the both side. So here you can see the 2 sets of herringbone stitch at the right side and left side of the leaf. So in detailed tutorial video, if you like to see, then just give me a comment. I will do as a tutorial video for the herringbone stitch itself. Next we'll go to the one leaf and bud here. So for that I just used a couching stitch, and then after doing the couching stitch we'll go to the loop stitch for filling the leaf. So here in this two leaves and one bud is there. So for that here I used a pepper pin needle. So first we should keep a pin needle there secure, and prick the thread from the base of the fabric to upside and loop around the needle. So that's why this stitching is called loop stitch. After finishing and filling the leaf, we should prick the needle down, and we should prick it up at the center, or center means two sides of the needle. There we should secure it just like a shape of a lacy daisy. So here I am pricking it down, and after that we should prick upside at the center of the loop. At the both side we should secure it, and we can remove the needle. So here this loop stitch got over, and the same thing with the bud. Here I used for the yellow color and did the same loop stitch. If you like this type of embroidery channel, please subscribe and support and watch my videos. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed and peaceful day.